Hi guys, Neil Waterhouse. The videos I've put out over the last few weeks have been about how to dropship in other countries, including how to get fixed delivery addresses in overseas countries and also how to use a VPN to research products in overseas countries. If you've missed those videos, I'll put a link at the end of this video for you. This week's video is about how to get overseas phone numbers for dropshipping. If you're already dropshipping in other countries, it'd be awesome if you could let me know in the comment section below which countries you're either dropshipping in now or you want to dropship in. Okay, let's launch into how to quickly get a phone number in other countries. Now with phone numbers, often your suppliers and or eBay or Amazon will require a landline number. Often a 1300 number or a 1-800 number or a mobile/cell phone number will not work. Sometimes only a landline number will be accepted. This is not a problem. Now to cut a long story short, we use a company called Toll-Free Forwarding. However, Toll-Free Forwarding is not the only company that can do this. Now don't get me wrong, I'm not saying that Toll-Free Forwarding is the best phone forwarding company out there. They're just the ones that we use, and we've been using them now for well over 10 years. With Toll-Free Forwarding, all you do is select which country you want the phone number and the type of number, i.e. a normal landline. The next, Toll-Free Forwarding will show you a list of available phone numbers in that country, and you simply just choose one. Now once you've chosen your overseas phone number, you can then choose what to do with that number. You can have the number forwarded to your mobile phone or to any phone in the world. Or you can set up a recorded message, and every time you get a message, Toll-Free Forwarding will notify you. Or you can have a person at Toll-Free Forwarding answering that phone number for you. The great thing about this is if you live in, say, Australia and you want to set up a phone number in, say, the USA, not only can you do that, but you can also choose what part of the USA to set up the phone number. You know, you can choose to set up a landline number in, say, New York or San Francisco or anywhere you wish. If you live in, say, London and you wish to set up a landline phone number in, say, Australia, you can get a landline Sydney number or Melbourne number, Adelaide number or whatever. Anyway, I think you get the picture. I hope this video helped you with how to set up phone numbers in overseas countries. If you need any help scaling up your dropship business, make sure you check out the step-by-step videos below, and while you're there, make sure you hit the subscribe button to the No Fluff channel that teaches how anyone can make a full-time living from their home using eBay and Amazon. Until next week, stay safe, list more, sell more. This is Neil Waterhouse.